5 is tracking the latest developments in the delivery of a COVID vaccine, and healthcare workers across the metro are getting the first shots. Mary Ann Copeland was the first person to get vaccinated at the University of Kansas Health System in KCK. Mary Ann is a respiratory therapist who's been working with COVID patients since the pandemic began.
When they announced that we had COVID here at the hospital, I was one of the first people to work with that particular patient. So I have not had a fear since I worked with it from day one.
Now, she got a standing ovation right there from her coworkers when she got that first shot. Once healthcare workers and nursing home residents get vaccinated, then essential workers will be next. But who will that include? Kansas Governor Laura Kelly says it's still up for debate.
We're in the process right now of really setting those out. Who will be considered an essential worker and in what sequence will that category get? I expect that we will be getting to that sometime in January.
Here's a list of some of the workers who could be added to phase 1 in Kansas. First responders, teachers, workers in meatpacking plants, and people who work for public utilities like the power or water company. In Missouri, these workers are already part of phase 1. The hope is to get frontline healthcare workers and people who live in nursing homes all vaccinated by January. That's when essential workers will start getting their shots. That process could take a couple of months. Phase 2 in Kansas should start sometime in the spring, and that will include people 65 and older and people with other health problems. It will be late spring or early summer before the general public will start getting their shots.